Hello friends, welcome to my channel Media Creation Club. Today I am here with the new updates. So how we can fix the wall mount bracket and install the TV in our room. It's very simple and easy. You can do it by yourself. It's very easy, not difficult. Just measurement of the bracket and then we fix the bracket and install our TV. It's very simple and easy. So I'm going to show you step by step so easy for you to learn. If you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, press the bell icon, and then if you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up. If you have any question, comment below, and let's go to our topic and continue. We fix the wall mount bracket and install the TV. Friends, so as you can see, this one is TV bracket. We buy the TV bracket, then this screw come with the bracket. This one for big plastic washer, so we can fix when we fix on the TV. So this one is distance for the wall. So this plastic washer, this bracket bring distance to the wall. So this screw going to fix this one, and then washer using this one, and then we screw this one for this bracket. So this one is holding this 4 wood screw in the wall for the wall. This one holding for the TV. So we continue first fix in the TV this bracket, after we continue in the wall. Okay friends, so we fix this bracket first. This plastic washer we must give down of this one, so it will space on the space for the wall distance. So we fix 2 washer here, then screw with the washer. You can select by your if your wall distance back of the TV, we need space because the jack and plug. So that's why we fixing this one. This washer. So this washer also put here. So got space. Then put the screw in the washer. This one you can adjust the level depend on your bracket. So I just put the normal here number 5. You can adjust also by your wall bracket distance, so you can adjust by up and down. It's depend on your choice. So we got a space. This one, this is space for the, we can fix the plug, or we can fix the TV jack, or we have the RCA jack, USB or HDMI or a speaker out. We have this one. So this plastic washer is for the space balance from the wall to TV. So that's why we put the plastic this one, so it will space. So we tight the screw first. Okay. So the TV is done. As you can see, the TV bracket we fix already. So this one is RF jack, this one RCA jack, USB audio digital out, and then this one HDMI cables. So this one is power source. So first step is done. Now second step is in the wall. So we need to fix the wall mount. So we need to fix there our wall mount bracket. So I need to do the holes. I do not waste your too much time, so I just do the hole and then we continue again. So we need to fix their TV. Okay friends, so I do already the hole. So now we going to fix the wall mount. So We use also the washer, this one, to holding this one, because this one, as you can see, the hole is big, so we must use the washer, right? Friends, so as you can see, we already fixed the wall mount. So the next step also done ready. This one already got power source, and then our TV jack is available. So if you don't have, you can pull your TV. It's depend on your house fit. Okay, friends. So now we take the TV and then install. Okay, friends. So before we install the TV, we must have the male RF jack, so we can fix here in our connections. If you have direct cable, also you can fix the directly in the TV. So as you can see, I have male to male RF jack, so I fix here straight away, then we can fix in the TV. If you pull the direct cable to the TV, also it's depend on your house fitting. So I'm just fixing here first for the antenna source. Okay, friends, so we fix now the TV. As you can see, TV source, power source I already put, then RF jack already here. So we put first the RF jack, then we put our power plug. Then we install the TV. Now we move this cable behind, then we hang in the bracket. Okay, friends, so as you can see, I already fixed the TV with the wall mount bracket. So hope this video is going to helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video with the latest updates. Thank you.